just launched your VPS? Before you install anything, hold up. There are 3 simple commands you need to run right now to secure and prepare your server. It'll only take a couple of minutes, but trust me, it'll save you a ton of trouble later. Let's get started. In this video, we're using an Ubuntu or Debian-based system. But if you're on a different Linux distro, don't worry, we'll cover those commands too. Alright, let's start with the root password. The default password your VPS provider gives you is usually weak, or worse, it could be leaked online. That's a huge security risk, so let's replace it with one you pick. To change the password, run this command. The system will ask you to enter your new password twice. Don't worry if nothing shows up while you type, that's totally normal in Linux. Once you see the message "password updated successfully," that means your root password has been changed, and you're ready to move on. Next, we'll change your SSH port. SSH is how you connect to your server remotely. By default, it uses port 22, and that's the first port hackers target. Changing it makes your server a lot safer. To do that, first, open the SSH config file by running this command. Now, scroll through the file and find the line that says #port22. Go ahead and remove the hashtag symbol at the beginning, and change the number from 22 to something like 4422. You can use any number between 0 and 65535, but I recommend picking something between 1024 and 49151. Once done, press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter to save and exit. Now, let's restart the SSH service so your changes take effect. If you're on Ubuntu or Debian, run this command. If you're using a different Linux distro, like CentOS, Fedora, or Arch, I've dropped the commands for those in the video description. And that's it. You've successfully changed your SSH port to something safer. Now, let's update your server. When you first get a VPS, the software on it is usually outdated. That means it's not secure, and some apps might need updates to install properly or work better. So updating is crucial. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, just run this command. For other Linux distros, like CentOS, Fedora, or Arch, I've dropped the commands for those in the video description. This process might take a few minutes. You'll see lots of messages, that's normal. If it asks for confirmation during the update, just go ahead and confirm it, or select the setting you prefer. Once it's done, your server will be more secure and ready for the next steps. And that's it. You've secured your VPS with a new password, changed your SSH port, and brought your system fully up to date. Solid start. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up SSH key authentication, so you can log in without using passwords at all. It's so much more secure than a password, and once you try it, you won't go back. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. See you there.